Stampers, this is Cheri. I just wanted to take a second and hop on and give you a couple of tips for ordering during the Sale-A-Bration. I don't want you to miss out on any of your free things, and it can be a little bit, it's not difficult, but it kind of passes by quickly where you put the free things. So I'm going to show you really quickly how you do that. So if you're on one of my emails, this is one from earlier this week. And sometimes, I like you to see different things. So I know sometimes when you click on my website button, it takes you to the front page. Sometimes I take you to the blog page. Sometimes I take you to a specific blog post. And the same thing when you go to my Stampin' Up website. Sometimes I take you to the main page so you can see stuff that they've posted. Other times I take you directly to the shopping page. So I think this one earlier this week, let's see where it's going to take us. So this takes you to the main page. That way you can see some of their stuff, some of the things. Like here's the beautiful specialty paper that's part of the Valentine series. But sometimes I like you to take you there so you can see what they have. And then other times the link will take you to exactly my shopping page. So it just depends on which link I put in. So if I don't take you to the shop page, you just come over here where it says shop now. You always want to make sure, because sometimes there's glitches in the system, and if you think you've ordered from me and you don't get a thank you email within probably 4 or 5 days, then you'll want to check, because you won't get my thank you gift if you don't order from me. And sometimes there's a glitch in the system, and if you have looked at somebody else's website or you've looked at their picture, then it can sometimes take you to their page and then you've ordered from them. So always just make sure that my picture is up here, and that way you know you're on my site. So click the shop now if you didn't end up on my page. So here we are. You can see all the new products. There's always the little what's new. Again, my name still should stay here. You can see new arrivals, you can see the catalog, and then over here in the sales and specials, you can see the Sale-A-Bration. And right here is where all your free stuff that you can pick for $50 or $100 is going to be. So I always do this and I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to order. So let's go see what's new. So shop new products. So if you don't have the catalog, you can go to my website and you can download both of them, and that way it can be on your tablet or your phone or wherever you want to download it to. You can put it in a Kindle or a book program. So over here, I do know that I want, if you haven't seen my tutorial today, it is for the art gallery, and that is one of my free online classes, and it's totally free if you buy the suite. But after I posted it, then I saw that, let's see, the leafing. So you can search. So go up here and we'll search leafing. So if you have your number, you can put your, I always think that you can see it says low inventory. So I didn't know that that was on low inventory. So if you want to do the class, you need to sign up for that soon. So we've got that. So we have one thing. And see right here, it's going to pop up and it says for every $50 you spend, you get to choose a free Sale-A-Bration item. So let's go back to what's new. And then I'm going to try to remember what I don't have, or I do think that I have a few more spaces because I placed the order for my Try It class, which is super, super fun. Let's do what's new. I don't think it's going to do home of what's new. I do have a couple more spaces because the way the paper's worked out. This is so pretty, but you want to make sure that you don't get the French. Some of you do that. Oh, I did want this. So that's a bundled savings. So let's go over here to where it says bundled savings. Let me see if it'll show us this. No. But this goes with my new hostess set that I have coming. Here, I'll look it up in the catalog and I'll show you. If you have your catalog and you just write down the numbers of the things that you want, then you can search them at the top and you don't have to search for it again. So I've just got my catalog here. Because I almost got this yesterday. But you know, I have a lot of stuff that I haven't used yet, so I thought, well, I'll wait. 156261. So here is that. And then I can just add it to my cart. So then let's get, now that I have my catalog sitting here, I'll just do it this way. So I'll get a little bit more paper. That way there's a couple of papers that I think I might run low on, and that way I'll be able to open it up. I might have maybe 8 more spaces if I get some more paper for my Try It class, because you know I didn't do a very good job advertising. Normally I have lots of cute little memes and little advertising things, but when I was not feeling well and I was just sitting on the couch all the day long and all the night long, okay, so let's view the cart and see right here really quickly. It's going to tell you, congrats, I earned a Sale-A-Bration item. I'm right at $53.75, so you have a Sale-A-Bration product to redeem. Choose your free product. So I have a $50 purchase. It lights up pink, so if I had a $100 one I could choose from, then it would light up this one as well, and you could choose $50 or $100 then. So then now you come in here and you can choose which $50 one. So let's get this one. So I've added that to my cart. You can see it's in the cart. Now I'm going to tell you, I know a lot of you like to shop on your tablets or your iPads or on your phone. It's really hard to see this there. So if you have my host code, you know I started from my email. So let's go back over to my email, because a lot of you are always like, I don't know where to find your host code. I try to put it in almost every single email. So just go back over here, copy it, and I'm going to show you what often happens, because I think it's going to happen with this one. Go back over here, put my host code. Sometimes if you copy that first space, because I grabbed the space, then it wouldn't have worked. So put this in. If you have a coupon code, I'm going to be sending some coupon codes out this week, so that will be part of my special starting tomorrow. But don't worry, if you shop today, you're still going to be in the drawing for that. So then let's do the checkout. Sign in. And then I'm not going to do the checkout part, because then I always have to edit it, because my credit card number's in there because it's saved in there. So that's how you do it, and then just check out. And it's just, if you have shopped with me before, it will stay there. My picture will pop up on the next page. And it's one more way to verify that you've shopped with me. So that's all you have to do. And then you will have your order placed. So I have posted several new videos this week. I'm trying to make up for the lack of my activity in December. So if you have any questions, you're always welcome to call me as well, and I'm happy to place a phone order for you, and I'll just take it over the phone. I will need your credit card information. I'll need your number, the expiration, and the code on the back, and I can place it for you. You do have to remember that because I do so much video work, that my camera is my phone, and so whenever I'm videoing or whenever I'm downloading to YouTube, my phone is on airplane mode. So you might think this girl's always on the phone, but it's not that I'm talking, it's that I'm using my phone for a camera. And we don't have a house phone. So everybody have a great day. If you have any questions at all, remember I have 2 host codes this month. So if you purchase for this host code that expires on the 6th, you'll get those thank you gifts, and then if you purchase on the second one, you have a chance to get 2 host codes this month. So everybody have a fabulous day. Take care. Bye.